What's up guys, welcome back. So in the last video we were playing with this bar here, and I've been playing it with it a little bit more, trying to get it to work. And I tried to find an example of how they you get the current scene. It looks super weird. I'm not sure how. If you do know how, please let me know in the comments below. It looks like they set up some kind of reducer for it, and they're listening in the store, and I really hate how they do it. And it looks super complicated to set up for what seems really simple, and I'm not liking the way React Router Flux is working. If I'm doing a new project right now, I would actually use React Router, this one, React Router Native. This one is looking better to me. This is what I use for regular React, and I would try it out for React Native because I'm not liking how the other one is working. So give this a try. I'm gonna try using this with my next project. But to get this working, what I think I'm gonna do is, instead of trying to get all this junk to work, is just use the tab layout on every page. So we have this thing. I'm just gonna go back. I was trying to console log some stuff, try to figure it out, but I honestly don't think it's worth it. We have the actions here. This is all good. Forget this children crap. Just return the footer. And then we'll use this actually on our page. So then we don't need the container here. So now we have this nice tab layout, which we'll just use on our actual pages. So remove this component here. And then what we'll do is we'll just import it ourselves. So like, go into view auctions, import that guy, and it looks like we don't need socket. I'll get rid of that. And then at the bottom of our container here, we can have a tab layout. There we are. And then we can say current page, and this page is the view auctions. And I guess we should do different than what I'm giving the key. So I'm going to add a prop to tab bar layout. Let's actually do that right now, so we know which one to make active here for that thing. So we'll pass in the current page as a prop, and so on our button here we'll say active is equal to current page is equal to, and then what it would, for a list it would be, I guess that's fine, we'll do the same as their key. I don't think it'll hurt anything as their key for the router. Okay, add that there, add that there, don't need that. Ink. Oh man, I copied that wrong. There we go. Do that here. Do that here. Okay. And we don't put active there. Okay. Add a space here. So for this one, this is going to be login. Call login. Here. This one will be sign up. And that's just for this little highlight to pop up. Okay. So then here, current page is view auction. Actually, it should be plural, view auctions. And this is just one double quoted. Yeah. Oops. Refresh. Alright, so now we see this. Ooh, the tab bar is not rendering below it now. I think we'll have to push this up with some margin. So here, we can say margin bottom 20. Okay. I think I might need container style. Margin bottom 20 instead of style for the fab. Nope, that won't even move. That's extremely odd. Maybe if I put it on the... No. That shouldn't do it. Shoot. Why is it not doing that? I guess, I mean, we can just get it to work how we were doing it before, where we have basically another container here, because that seemed to work and look good. And we can remove margin bottom. So now we'll have another container inside of this container. There we go. How's that look? Alright, that looks much better. And notice how we see the highlight and we're on this correct page. Now if I go here, awesome, now that looks good. Now we just need to do this tab bar on the login and the sign up page. And also the auction form page, why not? So I guess we should just copy and paste that container thing because that seemed to work good. So we don't need to touch that anymore. The login page will be the same as this. We'll copy our layout, paste that in for the login view. And then at the bottom here, we'll create another container. And at the bottom, we'll put our tab layout. Tab everything over. There we go. Now let's see how that looks. Oh. Just put current page is equal to login. And now we should see it active. Alright, we go to login. Nice. We can go back to this one. Coolio. Now we just need to do the sign up page. And then the other one as well, actually. 2 more left. So the auction form page, can add that here. And here actually shouldn't have any active because it is not a, there's no way to get here from the navigation. You have to actually click the little button. And we should, tab layout here. Alright. And then finally our sign up page. Oops, copy, paste that here. And we should save this page and copy this, create another container, go to the bottom, tab bar layout, current page is equal to sign up. And we should double quote that. So now we should be able to navigate to any page. Go to sign up, log in, and it highlights it nicely. Awesome. Okay, very cool. So that's it for this video. And the next one, what we'll do is we'll actually work on this button right here. So when I click it, it does a little, kind of like a little highlight thing as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.